Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get a subject on iMessage. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to our settings, as we are going to need to enable a setting for subject or subject line. So I'll scroll all the way down and find apps right here, tap on it. Now find messages. There you go. Just tap and then go and scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see under send as a text message is show subject field. Okay, so enable it, make sure that it is set to green. And then after that, you can now then go ahead and open up the messaging app. All right, so just tap on it. Now tap on compose right here at the top right. And as you can see, we now have the subject line. All right. And that's how simple it is to get subject on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.